Hi guys, this is Dr. Mololo Moshebi and I'm excited to share this video with you. You know how I do it. So I get gifts from my company, Oriflame, very often, practically every month. But I've not been here for a while to do any unboxing video or unveiling video, right? But I would love to quickly share two items that I received recently. Okay, so one I got it weeks ago, the other one I just received it this month, and you know our color is green, right? So yeah, Oriflame exclusive. So this is a set of jewelry. It's the Hidden Gems Pearl Jewelry Set, right? So I will be opening that very quickly. Let's open that. Okay. You know that we like packaging. Too much packaging. Right? So, see? It's well packaged. So here is what it looks like, packaged. I'm not wearing anything because I would love to try it on once I open this. So here it is. Gorgeous, ain't it? Gorgeous, ain't it? Right? So I'm going to try this on. Be my mirror. How does it look? How does it look? I'm sure it looks nice. I rarely wear long earrings, but you know, there are sometimes you have dresses that this is what just suits it perfectly. So I love the design. It's so pretty, right? Pretty. So that's it. How do I look? Yeah. How do I look with this? So we get jewelry gifts, we get other stuff. This wristwatch right here, I got it from Oriflame. So how does my jewelry set look, right? So I said I was going to unbox two things. I have another one right here. This time around, it's a robe, our royal green robe. So I just got this month. So let's open it. Let's see what it looks like. I might not be able to wear it, but just feel the texture, the velvety look and the texture of this, you know. So in my last unboxing video, I actually showed you the green blankets. I love that blanket. It's so cozy, so soft, so nice. I really love it. So this came to match with that, like. So I have a gorgeous green blanket and then a gorgeous green robe to match from my company. Like I would always say it, what are you waiting for? Why have you not yet registered with Oriflame? I don't know. You have nothing to lose because all you do is shop. You shop for products that you need, that your family needs. You shop for products for your customers. And then you get these gifts in return. And the good thing is, even if you decide, okay, I don't want to sell the products, fine. You use toothpaste, you use body lotion. Now, when you go to buy those things in the supermarket, they do not give you anything in return, but it's not like that with Oriflame. Oriflame has high quality products. You shop from them and then they still give you gifts in return. Like whether you sell or not, once you reach a particular threshold, you qualify for gifts like this. I don't even remember when last I used my money to buy wristwatch because I don't have to. I have them in all colors and shades and sizes, right? So this is me giving you a call to come join us in Oriflame, right? Come and join us. Come and join us. Come and join us. Come and join us. I invite you. If you'd like to know more about Oriflame, I'm your go-to girl. Send me a message. All right. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing video, right? Thank you very much. I hope I look nice with this, right? Okay, until I come your way in the next video. Bye-bye.